Gardening can be as simple as putting a seed in the ground. There are a few basic steps to follow, and you'll have fresh vegetables just like your neighbors. The first step in gardening is to prepare your soil well. This means spading over the area or tilling it so that the top 8 to 10 inches of soil are nice and loose and workable. Then we're ready to sow some seeds. Seeds that can be planted right now are lettuce, radishes, beets, carrots. We follow the directions on each seed packet to know how deep the seed should be planted and how far apart the rows should be. Once the seeds are in the ground, water each row well. Now that we've sown some vegetables from seed, we're going to set out some lettuce plants. It's important to try and keep the plants in a long straight row and space them about 12 inches apart. You don't want to sink the plant deeper in the ground than it has been growing. Just gradually fill in soil around those roots. Pack the soil down firmly so the plant won't wobble back and forth. And you may even want to make a little dish around the soil so it will collect rainwater. And before you move on to the next plant, give it a little fertilizer, a starter solution. You can use houseplant food and follow the directions on the label. For more tips on vegetable gardening, contact your extension agent. Ask for the Vegetable Gardening Tabloid. I'm Meg Southerland, Fayette County Extension Agent for Horticulture.